Sender Policy Framework, SPF, records help reduce the likelihood of your domain being spoofed in spam messages. They can also enhance the deliverability of emails to external providers like Gmail and Outlook. At HostMaria, we maintain an SPF record that is regularly updated with all IP addresses used for sending emails from our network. This ensures that emails sent from our services pass the SPF check. To use this on your domain, you need to add a text record in DNS. By default, all new hosting packages at HostMaria will automatically include an SPF record for Stackmail. If you prefer not to have this, you can remove it by following these steps. Go to your dashboard, select Manage DNS, and delete the text record that starts with v equals SPF1. If you don't have an SPF record and wish to add it manually, from your dashboard, go to Manage DNS. Scroll down, leave the name field blank, choose text from the type dropdown. And in the data field enter, v equals SPF1 include :spf.stackmail.com mx all. Save the changes by clicking the Update DNS button. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at HostMaria support ticketing system. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using HostMaria ticketing system. Thank you.